Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD version 1.0, how to group along path. I will create a parametric part and click create sketch. I will choose this plan. As example, you can draw rectangle, click close, and then use path tools to convert into 3D. For path profile, I will select this face, create sketch, and then draw rectangle as profile. Click close, and then for path, you can select this top face, create sketch, and I will draw a polyline. Start from this point to here, like this. Click close to apply. Now, if you want to group these objects along path, you can use these tools. Subtractive pipe, we can click. And then for object sketch 1, this sketch for sketch 1. And then for path object, you can select this path. That will be automatically grouped along path. Then click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.0, how to group along path. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.